Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing the solution of our arcade level 1 AppDev and Infrastructure's second catalog, that is Gamer Start Your App Engines, second lab, that is App Engine Qwik Start PHP. इस लैब का मैं solution आपको provide करूँगा. Before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the first lab and this lab also. Okay, so if you didn't complete this lab, so simply click on the I button and you will get the link to these videos and you can solve this lab. Okay, so now without wasting any time, start this lab. Click on this and wait for the page to be loaded up. Once again, आपको I button पे जैसे क्लिक करेंगे, आपको previous सारे lab के solution मिल रहे होंगे. Okay, description box में भी link दे दूंगा, तो आप कहीं से भी जाके देख सकते हैं. So you can see there are total six tasks that we need to perform, and this lab would be similar as the previous one. Okay, so nothing difference will be here. So wait for the page to be loaded up. After that, we will click on the start lab button. So click on the start lab button and we will get some credentials. These credentials are required to log in into Google Cloud Console, where we actually perform each and every task. Okay, so wait for the credentials to be loaded up. After that, right click upon open Google Cloud Console and open it in private window or in incognito mode, otherwise you will face certain issues. So incognito mode में open करना is the must step. After that, you will see that the email ID will automatically get pasted up. So click on the next button and you need the password. So for the password, come back to the lab. So let me open that lab and copy this password, come back to the console, paste the password here, click on the next button and you get logged in into your Google Cloud Console. Once again, you might see a welcome message here that you need to accept by click on the I understand button. So wait for that page to be loaded up, or in my case that pop-up message not arrived here, but if in your case it arrived, then simply click on the I understand button. After that, you need to accept some terms and condition. A pop-up will arise here of terms and condition. You need to click on the checkbox and click on the agree and continue. अगर आपको यहाँ पर फिर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आए तो आप प्रीवियस वीडियो देख सकते हैं, शुरुआत के स्टेप सब में सेम होते हैं. कभी कभी आपको टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन शो होती हैं, कभी कभी नहीं होती हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, सिंपली क्लिक ऑन द एक्टिवेट क्लाउड शेल बटन, click on this and it will activate the cloud shell button. Wait for the connection to be established. So once the connection gets stabilized, you will see an interface like this. Simply come back to here, scroll down to the task 1. I already set up the basic requirements, already clear the basic requirements, so you don't need to follow these steps. You can skip this. Under the set the region of the project, you need to copy this command to set your region. Click on the copy button. Make sure what is the region. In my case, it's US East 1. In your case, it can be different. तो आपको अपना region ध्यान में रखना है. In my case, US East 1. आपके केस में different हो सकता है, तो आपको ध्यान रखना है. Okay. After that, simply come back to the console, paste the command that you copied here, and hit enter button, and wait for it to get run. First of all, you need to click on the authorize button. It's asking for the authorization, so don't worry. Wait for it to get completed. Wait for it to get executed. Actually, while it's executing, simply come back to the lab. Scroll down. You don't need to do anything in the task number 1. It's simply easy. So scroll down. From the task number 2, you need to copy the second command, or the first command actually from the task number 2. Come back to here, paste the command here, hit enter button. Make sure आपका first जो command है वो execute हो जाए, उसके बाद ही आपको next command execute करना है. Wait for this command to get executed. Once it get executed, simply come back to here, scroll down, copy the second command, then come back to here, paste the command here, hit enter button. Wait for this command to get executed. It's showing some latency, don't worry. Now once it's get executed, simply come back to the lab. In the third task, we need to deploy the app, so we will use this command, qwiklab app deploy. So copy this command, come back to here, paste the command here and hit enter button and wait for this command to get executed. Now in this step, you need to select your region, as I already show you what is the region. So to see the region, you need to go to the task number 1, scroll up a little bit and you can see this is the region US East 1. In your case, it can be different. आपको अपना region set करना होगा, select करना होगा. In my case, it's US East 1. So I will come back to the console and I will locate my US region East 1. Here it is US East 1 and the number beside it is 11. So I will type here simply 11. In your case, it can be different. You need to locate your region and type that number. After that, click on the enter button, hit enter button and wait for this command to get execute. This command will take around 3 minutes, so you have to wait. In that time, you can simply subscribe to my channel and like the video and simply sit back and relax. Before that, you need to type Y here. Do you want to continue? Yes, you want to continue. So type capital Y and hit enter button. Now wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So simply sit back and relax. So as you can see, a command is executed. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes. So after that, simply come back to the lab and scroll down to the task number 4. And from the task number 4, copy this first command, come back to here, paste it here and hit enter button. This is the last command. Wait for this command to get executed. Simply come back to the lab, scroll down. You don't need to do the task number 5. Simply click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick here. So wait for this command to get executed. You say assessment is completed. Scroll down. You can see there is no check my progress, so you don't need to do anything here. Simply congratulations, your lab is completed now. Click on the end lab button. Click on the submit button. Give the star rating that you want to give. Also, you can leave any additional comment if you want. Click on the submit. Now come back to the main page to verify whether we get the green tick or not. हर लैब के तरह इस लैब में भी आपको मैं वेरीफाई करूंगा कि आपको ग्रीन टिक मिला हो. सो स्क्रॉल डाउन करेंगे, ओपन द कैटलॉग, स्क्रॉल डाउन. यू कैन सी वी गेट द ग्रीन टिक बिसाइड आवर लैब. इट मीन्स वी सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीटेड दिस लैब. ओके, सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस लैब. इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, मेक श्योर यू हिट द लाइक बटन, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Thank you very much. Goodbye.